Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Little Caesars promo code. So let's get started. So this is a pizza company in the UK and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Little Caesars promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna click go. And then you're gonna head over to this website, Retail Me Not. I'm gonna click on it. So once I'm on this website, you can see there are many codes here. So for example, 10% off your online order of $10 or more. So let's say you're spending $10 or more online and you're looking for a discount, you can always use this code. You can click on it. And Hangton is the code for 10% off when you spend over $10. Similarly, there are many other codes you can explore. For example, free delivery on your order. You can click on that. And that's the code. Free delivery is the code for a free delivery. Similarly, you can also explore many other codes. So for example, 50% off any bread with a purchase of $10+. And that's the code for that. So you can also use that one at checkout and see whether it works. Now I'm going to head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. So you can go to this website, Coop and Follow. So once you're on this website, there's this promo code, get 10% off on orders which are above $10. You can click on it. And this is the same promo code we saw on the other website, so you can see others. For example, get 25% off your purchase. You can click on this. And Top Deal 6, with this code, you can get a 25% off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.